Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday to you all. Our discussion questions are going to be a little bit different this week. In your announcements for today, you'll see that the discussion activity is going to be in BrainPop. So I added a new button to your Canvas page, BrainPop. So you're going to go ahead and click on that button to access your assignments. And you will need to sign in. So or login, and you're going to choose login with Clever. You're going to have to search for your school, so you'll type in River Heights Intermediate, and you'll see it pop up right here with Corona-Norco Unified School District, and you will see your assignments by clicking on the dashboard. So click on the dashboard, and you'll see that you have BrainPop 3D. Thanks. So once you access the assignment, it looks like this. BrainPop 3D printing, there's a movie for you to watch, and there's a quiz for you to take when you're done. So you click go, we'll watch the movie today as a class, and you can go ahead and take the quiz. You can watch the movie again if you want to.